Here we can see the set state. Very nice and smooth. And we have the two ball screws here. And it did a very nice sliders up here. I put some rubber bands on it to illustrate the pedals where they are going to run. And this is the x-axis, and I am going to put some rods across here for the y-axis.